Hi, I'm Jamie.
And I'm Bobby.
And together, we are your travel gurus. Welcome to our room.
This room has all the important amenities. A coffee maker, water, some fruit, all the things you would expect to find in a nice room. Because we were celebrating our anniversary on this trip, they gave us a nice bottle of bubbly too. And the TV has an important channel with all the activities happening and all the hours for the restaurants. It's a very important channel. Make sure you look it up when you're here.
We liked this little sitting area because we were able to play board games. The king-size bed was large and the linens were comfortable. The downside to this bed was it wasn't the softest bed we've ever stayed on. Nightly, the hotel provides you with 2 chocolates and turn-down service. Turn-down service is important to me. Each room comes with its own programmable thermostat. Make sure to change it for different day and night temperatures. The lighted closet has coat hangers, luggage rack, and an in-room safe. You'd be the only person that has the password to this safe. Each room has its own private refrigerator that they keep stocked for you. We were able to tell the room steward daily what we wanted in there and he refilled it for us.
The little luggage area by the front door made it easy to drop off our stuff when we first came in the room. It's really nice to have it right by the front door.
The shower was roomy. The bench is cold when you sit on it. The one downside is the regular rooms just have a single shower head in them. The master bathroom comes with his and her dual master sinks. And now for what we've all been waiting for, the balcony. I spent quite a bit of time out here, both working and relaxing on the trip. Listening to the waves hit the beach, it was a very relaxing afternoon during my time out here. Below, you can see these rooms that have the swim-up pools. There's not very many people that stay on this side of the hotel, but you can see one set of guests down there. I hope you enjoyed our room tour.
Well, that's it for our tour of the king-size garden view room at Dreams Natura. Thanks for watching. Make sure to like, subscribe, and ring that bell so you can see other videos coming up. We'll have a new one every Tuesday, so don't miss out. Also, follow us on Facebook. Thanks, guys. See you next time.
All rooms, regardless of size, comes with stuff.